Well, you be koso Adam was say Jibra mugusu hwe na moti baby bia mobia say the edika about the research no electoral commissioner Dr. Bossman wan say na enkomotwehwe no nyina as we are counting down to election clearly the electoral commission san komodie we de omotwe omofima entwenda bribia da ne bra no said yes and say this here bia no one member any yen abedi nkomo privilege this morning Dr. Bossman Asare any ebe 45 minutes na wa ma enchiremu ne nyanti ase bi ansan maybe say every woman wants anya kwan etimi ebusa question bi abeso busa Dr. Akwaba
yeah opening kasi
commissioners we safe with Majuma moye bibia okay
o radiadum ye safe ye wo radiadum national security for ne police for ne ade boy e wo ye bambo famunti no me kan say ebo ade adaroma ye nso de atwase ye bia no ye nso ye
readiness and preparedness for December 7th about 20
oh so far the bibia da kwam o hwa nan say aye exhibition awie e na o wie exhibition na de ba kwa ye ne say ye register no ho adwuma exhibition ye decline register na ye dey finalize te no ye guso a ye ya enche bibia beba wie ye e na ye wie exhibition nso no ye bibia friend nominations last week ni ye wie fiada no ye wie na party say come say parties ni independent candidates ya akobet say 23 omudi aba ti na otwi mu no mpanifo ya sha se ehwehwe omuniemem from last week ti na otwi we mu ni ye behu omo qualify be ombetumi agina some person mo yo mampani ye behu national level ya presidential ni asenhu parliamentary level na no ni yetumi ya sa de ni wie a broni kemi bi say balloting ye be ni mumienu de edikan no ye omo gina ni nyina ye the parties ni bedikan aba omo ba na ma obi a choose omo choose wi a first ballot no obi a be choose position u choose a de obi choose na ma wakwanya na wasa de akọ choose biom the second choose ni de e na be determine position a obi wo ballot no so na no na say ye no presidential ni emfa ne say party bi say MPP ana NDC ko yi number 1 na parliamentary constituencies ni nyina omo besa ye number 1 ho
so presidential be affect
parliamentary na mom ebia na small party bi membese mebo party bi edi ba nketua na ewom ne nkuma na ewom ne bi ekoyi ba ko a ebia sa party no one contest wo parliamentary no ba bia enti uko parliamentary ho na ho no de ebesesa ti evan say nkuma ba ko na yi number 1 na ebia MPP yi number 2 ana NDC yi number 2 a uko baby ti say ebia takrade ana Cape Coast South Cape Coast North na sa party no one contest wo ha do yi number 2 no parliamentary no obeba be number 1 in that order presidential no say so far you have 12 political parties who have registered do na do mo yaba ti hwehwemu wi a nti ye mo ballot ni wi a na bia emfa say parties na be gina na nka say 8 number 1 to 8 here political parties
okay
ti ye wi a na for independence no so say ye ba akopa near the naka ho no abe number 9
okay so remember all these parents so but probably what we want to discuss more readiness no is it in collaboration with more stakeholders young Ghana for any political parties then and more ankasa as a commission there na mo hu say more ready
oh but me can say in collaboration with the parties ni Ghana for nyina esan say sanyema ye no hwe ye nhihye na from registration ye exhibition ye nominations say will be a can say printing of notices of poll
with the parties
with the and the parties na ye and ye be bia so ye be the rama Ghana for
anamo amotu nyina no you carry along those major stakeholders
we carry ye parties na ye bibia major bibia ye be bia no ye parties no Asia this the any parties na said here this exhibition say answer ye be exhibition registration ye parties no Asia nomination there any parties na said here nomination there wo a wo referee no and also obi a opeso ogina ho bia no Fabra ntia no ye di candidate no ema tia de amagana for ye de ama parties no the
so
dada
exhibition there na mo ka che party for no
exhibition there ka che parties ne say wo hwe ye mra na ye de adwuma na ye CI 91 a broni beka se ye de nsisa ya beka ho ama na be CI 126 no sa documents mi no eno ne ye de registration esa de exhibition na sa CI 91 mu no ukomwa regulation 23 na can pay face the entire etwase exhibition. Now the entire etwase exhibition is register no registration ye namunkrasi bebre ye register broni wo bibia kan say register offline ti ye register wo ho obo na ye de wato bibi so wo laptop bi afi ye wie bibia na asan download edi akogu bibi foforo so esan say enye online enye real time.
All these processes, not the parties are involved.
The parties are involved. Baby ye be offline be online be normally online ye tie we your district office and no dey be your mind no ko register ya instantly no bibia clean but offline they go through process there no process ni say we are e say o clean sa cleaning no na say broni be say be auditing no and no exhibition ye dey enti no yes our registration we afi no and na ye car say polling stations e be use their elections ni nyina no yemfa registers na enko enti no ye display almost 40,650 registers at the various polling stations. Ti maybe polling station uba ko na baby I say me to about me register ya ye wo ni nyina ye details wo ti 40,000 almost 653 ye display baby say obi an konkohwe say ni din wom eno no ye self auditing na bia e wo ye mra ni mu enti obi akohwe a na say udin ni mu a na waka na ye di udin ahyem and beyond that no the basa can say yemra na edi adwuma no yemra na make provision say essence of gather data from the field that problems be wo mu nti no and so we exhibition na oda na dia odi be clean the commission planning for the name be to kwam the edi kan say wa register no ko hokohwe odin so odin ni mu aye obibi e kan inclusion enti e bia me say makọ Bossman Asare makọ oh me ko me so ma register me se meto aba wa na ba ne say na medinim anya mo fa medin hye me say me kura me card a chese ma register apart from no so no ya district officers no so no ye obibi e kan register viewer ne say head office your registers ni nyina all constituencies district registers ye wo enti ye dey register no district awo no ye dey register na ma and onim nipa dodo a register wo ti register viewer na ye bi onko a wo de na mo say hwe so mo register ye 800 ebia 80,000 100,000 omo nyina e wo ho ana esan say registration omo ye wo ho na wo sa records ni nyina tu hwe na obi ni ho pena wo yi asutre ni aye ho adwuma timpani for this anyama we nyina to akwam nti na exhibition na ba ye bi wo course yo na medinim e na makọ ese ni nyina enu nti ne ye exhibition
okay maybe exhibition system but as we speak is there any formal Krataba talk commission on the reservations of the largest opposition party, the NDC?
So far, the Bibi Sam Metoy and him. Now, the TNC and your muye meeting. Ya new muye meeting or mu church and yemen bebremuse o omo hu ne mabia omo fi say a chia kakra our register mu. Ti omo be ye presentation kire yen. Ti omo ye presentation am say ne omo kan no omo say o transfers no transfers na bro so. By ABM 243,000. Apart from transfers, almost I can say, Omubenya and exhibition, yes, I any biom, and almost I can say number be 3,954 as 3,957. Almost Omuhe, no Mudino, any register mu. And I'm say almost I can say, Yanya forensic audit. And I'm penny 42 when him say, the most evidence are most ones, they see, are more presenting actually. Nem we be here some of the be na yam so ya hwe esan say exhibition no ya de corrections bro ni beka ya de sesan niam asebe ya register no ebetumi agina ne na so enti no ya kan so mo famre no mo famai ana meeting na ya ya ka tro mo say register ya hu adwuma ya de ma mo no na chiri no ya hu adwuma bebre enti no ya de enim sa de mo ka no kra no ya ye ana efri ho no ya ni omuhyiam say ya akobe 10 days as 11 days ni ya ye register na ma corrections bi e wo hu bia no ya ye and then say meeting no mo share boss omo de sa krata no bebre yenti no ya di omo achi ya ye mpanifo ni bi deputy chairman operations afre me anso medi akire kakra sebe ya kom de sa document ne be na ye botan ni say mo simo hu bibia mo mie hu say ese ye de enyu si ya ye bibia say ni obusa no meka ne say krata bia ni ho ba ye commission de enyim say problems no mo ka ye ni nyina the phone transfer, the phone missing the Nina, a radiatum ya to register now, ya can once no, Brunibeka say robust, credible. Sanya ma ya dia tukwa ya dia register ni ye no, and 1 year dia in 2020.
But that's here, I see an article by Dr. Maneboama. He's written a lot. And I think I'll sum up with the recommendations or the other. The recommendations are that because many EC regional directors and district electoral officers are aware this register is not credible, we demand the following. EC must fully explain what transpired at Pusiga that led to the director's interdiction. Corrections must continue. Re-exhibition is non-negotiable. And forensic audit is non-negotiable. That's coming from Dr. Maneboama. And he's a lead when it comes to some of these negotiations. So, Doc, this is Dr. Maneboama representing a political party or a major stakeholder. What will be the EC's response to these things?
Many baby onyan information free. Esan say, we see all directors are aware. Processor me catch us here register viewer. Ye direct district officers. But I said Dr. Maneboama said exhibition in Brunibeka is supposed to uncover these discrepancies. Problems also all register on exhibition is supposed to uncover. I said that's Anyamano Eddie.
It seems to be a
exhibition in the idea and it seems to be the mechanic said Obu ha nanka unqualified so be register. And so Obia did any man register. Obi wo ha ba bi okọ register no onte sam potamu o say e man na bi as say e bi o
atonsu na me no ba bi am te
na bi obi ada o say o ba to aba ne ma ye konongo e be boa ye pa no akọ register wo enso ni residential yi bia wo sa na mani nyina.
That is what the exhibition is supposed to do.
And obi won so obaye obekona odinim ebi obekona o picture no na che asai kra ebi wa polling station na o ka se yemfa wonto no. On the registration, do do na our districts. To call and also, ebi ameti atonsu, but person mo de meto ahensan school na wa ahensan no public school no. O call yenya ho ne de wato. Afi na che etwa se obe nante ana se obe faka ba bia 50 minutes. Enti ukwa sa ne mani nyina. Ti exhibition yi sa ne ma no efri ho. Enti sa ne ma ne exercise ni nyina abedadi. Esansa abedadi ni ntino. Ye register say the trust ye bia na ye aka ne man kakra bia ongoing na.
But he recommends that corrections must continue.
Corrections no say na me unza me ka say niema bi ye exhibition na niema bi wo ye ebi wo beko ye wo legal system ye e wo law ni mu a omo a te say omo a ye pese ye di omo di nhyem omo a ye trust ye yi omo frim obi wo ha wawu ese ye ni frim ni ade nyina magistrates e beko magistrate adim. The magistrate never approve as ampa obentin wa free mu ti anyi ni free mu isa na ema na ekoso ti ekoso nyina no na yenso ye ti ye living document aye hu adwuma ti na make say NDC force mo hu niema we anyway commission say ye ti dia mo sem won mo famra.
I was coming to that point. Okay, so the might identify in terms of niema omususu say ananipa bia omususu say infonyini no kwabna sante infonyini emienu didi emienu Bibia address the same thing. I woman almost identify a chunk of them. And you be no omatimi abua commission no with new more identify as we sanitize our register.
I don't know to mean no. I don't know to mean and no meeting almost share boss on the beba. And na empo no munya commission say sanye mani nyina no mo ye adwuma no but I the register na ma parties am hwe say bibia correct. Yenso ye de mamu no yenso ye hu adwuma. And yes, Sanya many I identify any I hu adwuma. Enti no mosimu be demonstration yes yo. Demonstration ni the answer Sanya me ya kan wasem. De be hia sebe ya mobaji atum se bibia ye nti. Mo me nhia na ya pono ya bia ya pono ebra bia mo pese mo ne commission hia bia mo mfa mo ma ya sonte. Ye be hia mo evidence ai wo bia chese ya ye no. Ya de batum anim ana mo na mosimu wo bibia chese say problems or register no. Ana ye ka say fabra Ode betu yanima ya be kire se obenten a osu onim no yaye mentwu anu da ene omuhia no omu bo obi din se oni registered him na no 2023 din omu anim ha na ye pani odi anim o IT department o ka kire se asumasi ya oman hina amusu onim ni owom bibia ye intact and so momo records enti na make say ye de ma mo no ye hu adwuma a living document into the other mouth be an outrino near my baby assessor. A living document exhibition is meant for corrections. These are corrections. Now, as we speak now, they are ongoing.
Our Electoral Commission, Ghana's Electoral Commission, is this the first time we are introducing this exhibition?
No, it's not the first time. It's been in our laws for many, many years. To 2016, Kaya Bibi Sabaye. Say, oh, yanya auditing Bibi ni ade. Ama parties na in share mudiena bas. Exhibition, UK Exhibition Regulation 23. CI 91 e kan pefe se ukwa e say ni say obi udi ni ma ya dibeshem udi akodi baabi ni nyina ye be go through that process no the commission say sa na ma na ye bi 2020 ye registration esa ye exhibition ye nya problems bebre ni nyina ya address ye ekosi say ye wie ye no enipa be 500 no mu ye hu omo biometrics ba na ye wo mu nyina din the commission penny for ye and say ye de omu din nyina ko omu polling stations so sebe ya omu ba no mu beto aba na omu no omu go through sa biometric verification na mo manual esan so omu din wo ho omu pictures wo ho e na omu anso voters card omu de beto aba
commission ni dwene ho say there's going to be an opening for another re-exhibition and for us to be double sure say yes Governor Santi, yes Dr. Bossman, yes Ampedu, yes Efiamankwa, afido obi address ni bibia no ahihye pepepe. You have that intent to
no exhibition no re-exhibition the any plan mu sesi ameno ka say na the woman says I register no the register is online no electronically your code now
it could be verified
into me to check it the register is online
parties ni aware
say eno no the press conference
I know but moya muni omuhia ansana mo baba bonte no na mo di san komo we nyina wi an
no exhibition ya be nyina ni omuhia e ka code
I na mentime ho ase ye adwuma e mumu wo ho ana because is that when you finish this meeting na mo ba bonte a most of the time if you look at what the opposition parties especially it started in 2015 abisine and so this morning I run a commentary that we should take a critical look at these political actors. Sometimes it is dependent on where they are standing. It is aware say all these conversations, no, it transpires not in a vacuum, but these major stakeholders
including CSO, civil society, omo ne kanti and obia wo CI ne de party bia wo bi hem say kamia so mo di party anim ne de obia wo CI copy niema na anti sa audit no forensic audit awka wo de wo kan CI ne ye wo bo say auditing but you use the word auditing ti na bia and e bia confusing crofo and the brebi atwam asadi ba ye nyina parties nyina wo hawa obi usi obi awu a ye won hyehyɛ wo eno so di na obituary death certificate fako wo de corner wo the voter card wo de kan wa ne dia ye ne dia yi ne dia frim ba on tumi ntina ba bi nka so obi awu ni nyina hyehyɛ e wo ho say ya anye the year abi obenti obi be ka so 2019 ye referenda to create as 6 additional regions no northeast as a northern region obi ko so obi awu sana nipa ne tiase entini san hyehyɛ ni nyina wa exhibition ni mu a wo kan a wo de CI 91 kora wo online wa uni copy na just google CI 91 regulation 23 auditing process pana a list the commission beye wo kona udi ni mu a say ni say nti san yema na electoral commission say san yema na NDC for ka enipa bi nso ko polling station ko hu sesa san yema ni nyina ya ye and as you said Dr. Banebo Amanso corrections they are ongoing there's an exhibition process now yenwie say am no ka say that process legal in the party for ni nyina anim am ebinum the lawyers ni ade ko magistrates no ho sebe on be defend your monko for a twase ye your mudin film ebi nso ha any
whilst we are doing this no parties na nkasa so court to defend why some of the people should be
register ebi o di say the dodo na ya objections obi won si we on ha we oni bebi a kire say ofiri ha enso oba register on ti sa na ema ni nyina koso nti corrections there is an ongoing ye stage where you do a say now we have a final register. So final register na ne yebekwa akọ print here. Ye di police station die bia abeko. Na so final register no so ye de be ma political parties no. Ti the commission can say or how any discrepancies be was our register mu no. Say see ade aye bibia ma bibia ada di prefer say obi o register e bia no. I can say without any shadow of doubt say 99.9% obi a ayi ewo munti come December 7th no okosa okoto aba ba bi etwa so oto aba no
so the Electoral Commission's position is that re-exhibition is out of the place, forensic audit out of place. Is that the case?
Oh no, yeah, that's what the commission. You know, mushia no. You amudi tuja. Yeah. Say when you talk about forensic audit, it's premature. Or my, who can say forensic auditor? It should be a criminality, fraud has taken place. For example, 2020, yeah, registration near 17,027,000, almost 17,027,000 voters. And 2023, yeah, registration, limited registration, yeah, a little over 910,000. And to the Kahua, almost 900 and so almost 937, no, 17,937,000. And 2024, in so first window, no limited registration, yeah, almost 777,000. To say the Kahua, natural drew 18,600,000. And yes, I am mop up. And you 100,000 ever count. To the register, no should be around 18.7, 18.8 thereabout. And to the 2020 my parties no. Just a wa meje.
Obi ameje.
Oh, obi wa party and your parties in the budget.
Okay, so the major parties
on your moody down budget.
Yeah.
2023 at the mount. And 2024, yeah, the amount. To your Electoral Commission crowd, yes, you had when you know what was information when you and you crano. As all to me audit. And the numbers are make say number 18.6, 18.7, 18.8. The market carbon. Tia Electoral Commission about one say Ghana register near 20 million. Nature be 1.3 as a 1.4. Abeka home. And the one say Ghana say election the senior city. So 1.4 free baby abeka home.
But doc, that's the picture out there that Electoral Commission mokuku.
No, but no kura bi anim. No kura ba ku kura anim. And to say bibi sa na okasi yenye forensic auditor. Then you are what will say fraud be but bibi sa any ho.
Because I can't trust the commission.
No, we don't. You don't have to trust the commission. You don't have to. But what we are saying, look at the works of the commission. Register no. It's not the commission. It's not that the commission is going to keep the register. Register no. Yedibema was a part. You as an individual, you can write to the commission say you want a copy of the register. When you write, we will tell you bring an external drive with this particular capacity, and we'll copy the register and give it to you. Even ordinary individuals by law can get the register. So in Kenya BB a commission.
So Sumasi Jebi anyhow.
Sumasi Jebi anyhow. Tina Mega said yeah the amount parties 2020, 2023, 2024. To what numbers no? Say BB assessor. BB anyhow. And a commission. Why when they call BB sir? Obi anyhow. Yeah but I said 2020 yeah elections no. European Union for by say my idea 95%. African Union, ECOWAS, Ghana, your local observers, Nimu media, Munina mo say Commission Abojuma. For the first time, Okokura QB anyo, Q ne anopa 7 to 8:30 now. After few no be a koya, esa say feed no do nsato so na apeke.
Yeah, about those details about mo feed the suspicion of obidi bibia kwhye baabi ne mo boaboa mo husie se mo ne party wo so no abaya wo so no betimi aye ba ma menkai one hweti se Dr. Bossman wo Electoral Commission payimpa be de akire na ene ye ne no atwetwe nkomo ni nyina na ye kwa ye fa so a ebetimi age ye ho adi na ye de ewura December 7th mu na yakoto ya aba if we say mentime wanse ne twitwitwiri wo eye ngoma ye de koto aba ni ma biribia dana na ema ye bo enyo so ehon sunsuaso so no ye nyina ye nim ma menka o say best brain publication so ono eye adwumaku a ono de ono tua anase ono print eye ade additional ngoma additional de ho eye krata na wona twro ngoma mako insia ba for creativity and imagination ho student leadership, citizenship, critical thinking and problem solving and a digital literacy collaboration and a communication. Inti wono kai wo say sa ngoma o matwe nyina the best brain publication eye naka approved inti channel so oko bookshop biemu wo omayema obenya biato opese ono mudi nkita wana number ne 0507 200 200 and 0504 200 300 no timini won edi nkita wana makoso aka o say ende multimedia ne dance travels Cowbank summit no baso inti ene Adance Travels in Juma Pa, one multimedia group, na KCNE. Cal Bank is here proud, so more catch us the 2024 Cal Bank Trade Summit, aimed at empowering businesses and opening doors to international trade opportunities. Turkey and Dubai, one of Shasi October, and that also Jununum, a copy in November, and that also in 2024. Inti, 2 weeks, one Obenya Quenyano, bones another new area, you're seeing new products, forging new relationships. Now, if you want a valuable insight into trade dynamics of Turkey and Dubai, said you won't see anyone on your summit where amount that unique opportunity. Also, Numano, and I will trim up said the opposite, which imagine a brand. Now, if you want to share what one so first, numbers way, if say a cut slots no kit webby and a to free numbers way 0270 302245 and 0261 513534 and 0266 074 379 and 0261 513435. No one one heading kita Cal Bank forward together in the studios. Dr. Bossman Asare. Non kuno pepepe ene ne be wi djuma di because game park for adaroma ye be kosa break. Na fi makacho say after 9:10 you an exclusive interview bi ye be chiro ade bi here party to yes central for say ti no ma bebriase. Na be hu how so a ye fam. Na be hu the multimedia Ghana so ye be say ye e de ema wankasa. Tijibre na oni entra. Doc Masabe bi o kasara lots of text messages. Ebinum say the foundation of trust is being broken. Inti more realize say that trust is broken about political parties. Ebinum say adana mama ho kwan ama de bia political parties na ebe misrepresent mo ewa abonte ansa na maye hirna mo de abana mo be yana. Ebinum say omo nyi say registers no ewa political parties no because ewa mo dia Edena bibia ekototi ya na for masa aba monti abeka disa no ma me say ewi ansa ne aba mfidie ni so
okay am say you can registers no I was CI ni mo to hwe CI 91 na mekaye no regulation 22 say mo compile register ni we are no later than 3 months mo farmer parties no it 2020 ya de mai 2023 ya de mai 2024 ya de ama ana ye wie exhibition process nyina wie a ya besa de ama parties no ansaba ya koya elections no ti parties nti no na obi nso say ba ne say ya ma parties ne ba bontin say ya dwuma no parties no so mo anso mo agenda sa mo pese mo pushi ti ya na electoral commission ya bota ensanka ye stay away be do time bia enso u ka say inaction bro ni be ka say inaction is not an option e ben ya say enso be ba bontin ya ma Ghana for hu say eni ma ne say ni say enetie sa a year making regulation 23 was CI 91 auditing a year and no crowd there and nipa kuo kitua bi na yo Ghana for a register voters nyina eka ho ye see districts nyina eka ho ye regions ye head office ni ahwe na bibia atumi aye kama the atiane say ye see no ye ni ho ma ye ho ye ho ma Ghana for ye wo ma parties nyina MPP NDC ye wo mo bia empo Ghana for amon per politics ye wo mo ti ye botan si ye bibia na nye kama and no bibi ti say register na o mahene the election and the FAPIM no any register that's the foundation document and the electoral commission will recognize that enti ye botan si ye na bibia enye kama ti niam na mo si exhibition say nyina they were welcomed ya jini nyina to esan say exhibition na botae ne say sa niam we beba ne dia correct ni say am no kan say niam di kan de omu kan nyina electoral commission ya ye hu adwuma ti na ya ka say sa wo so wa fabra wo de ba ya be kire evidence e kire say sa niam ni nyina ya ye.
So we are still in the correctional mood. Is that correct? We are still correcting.
We are still correcting
until the final register. That will be given to the parties. That will be given to the parties, and individual Ghanaians can write to the commission that they want to have a copy. Because that thing is even put on electronic. Let's get back to the Pusiga issue. What has happened?
Pusiga issue, no, initially a buyer, no, preliminary, in who said district, no, officer no the details and yes hard and you are suspended no you feel on you set up committee and you more
I'll continuously ask this question. Are the parties aligned to all this information step by step? They are considering because me no me person me president and MP. It won't know shama be president and MP no. What amount new one now fire? I have a right to be worried to be concerned. The pussy guy said the two abontes are suspended no. Yeah. And I say you set up committee. Yeah. Committee now you more juma read the report to nama. Commission. The Radia Duma now Yesimu commission so be take a decision on it. You take a decision, I be where you say, oh, a criminal a year Ninano commission share. By a share monosa transfers and the Pacrono a year and nipa bebe 38. Ya reversing in you'll be ato, baby a chance or two about. And the associate share system Nimunina will say, baby sa NC apart from Pussiga. And I say introduce to feature be a bronica and say liveliness check. So liveliness check. The year say a year say nipano oniwa within the picture and the photo be aya. Enye tia be a preventive sadiano from occurring again. Tina megas or mine registers no 2020 at the ama parties. 2023 ya the ama 2024 the ano 2023 the ana ababe kamu. No 2024 the ama and ya dini nyina ka bom nti dia year 2024 no and ya dia ka ni nyina wonti parties na betumi ahwe the transfers apart from Pussy because so baby a so the commission is open for some of
commission
these
so enti ne ka say ye press conference da ye fiada no ye de to animu frɛ His Excellency the former president a respected statesman say ye feel say demonstration of party person mo ye no demonstration and system bibia
is their right to put you on your toes. To be alert.
We don't have a problem with that.
And you maybe a more year no. Maybe a yen so.
Maybe any problem be any problem. But yeah say the open so an open discussion table. And your discussion democracy one of the key features of democracy is to sit down, dialogue in Georgia and arrive at conclusion. Evidence no. Say yeah court to force evidence is the name of the game. Timubana the Muslim one. Yensu yesi aye ni nyina na yetenase. Na bibia ye nyina no bia ani age ko ye botan ne se ye go into the 2024 elections parties nyina MPP for omo aboa to omo yem NDC obia nim say electoral commission ye bibia kan na bibia tumi aye kama.
But can the EC really look at how they engage the services of Kwabena Asante and Fiabankwa to work for them? Because most of the time obo say why obibia wi na say anopemu fanchem ketri bi fita na tuntum bi abetua eto. Why am I first engage in temporal jobs, mamma? I so flexible. You would down in me from so crimes. You should make a when you na a 2 channels because I could draw Mojuma phone be the 2 and a mombino. It comes back to the top. And I'm ye no. So what manner and kind of people are you engaging for such crucial national security exercise? What do?
I think we have reviewed a number of our activities to the extent they say commission we don't show. We have been there from so see a dema police ya de bema. And then I say what to see a BVRSB phobia we be one ya workers. We handed them over. We don't show. And now omo ye form omo ye adwuma no. When you say oman nipa ni bebre ya staff kura be 1600 to 1700. Ube train you ube ye bibia so these are the ethical but ube call no obi o ha ochebebia no waye they say elections ya ba be ya recruit nipa be 200,000 ya di ombe fa training
200,000
say polling stations they bro 40,000 and a polling station be ye nipa be enum presiding officer ballot issuer for presidential ballot issuer for parliamentary verification
so
officer, name reference
over
officer,
200,000.
In addition to returning officers, collation officer, Jubekom no, say 200,000. And Jube yomu orientation, what you can do, what you cannot do. By the Okoye BB TMRA, say no nya Jumebium. Say ne hiansi aduma police and so ya be refer asem nama police for. And ya ye orientation pa ya nia bre. Ezan say yempese bra ya di ahemune ya konchire mpaibɔ ne ade ya de hwɛ sɛ ya dwuma betumi akoye na oti baabi na wa ye bibi keke de agu ye
so there's a stiffer punishment
this there's a stiffer we will not use you again and if it requires that we refer you or we inform the police service we will do that.
Now one of our biggest fear if it's not a fear it's a challenge machines ebribia dana won't say yashasi ye political calculation this particular constituency need an ebese pe whether by whatever reason ampa na I say it was this particular region hanum there we are there so what's happening to all these political calculations
sanya manyina mefa ne say enya ade anokrom 2020 no mine nipa to aba no mo kamia so mo ye be 13,500,000 out of this number no emu 11,000 per na go through machine ma omuko ye ne machine no say bi ha wado ha ma ne nsem no obi so e fitani anya ya apart from 11,000 ne kakrem na e ka won emu 13.54 million no obia etumi ma verification no electronic ya adwuma ti we dey say about 99.99% etumi use wa yi no ntino na che Ghana ba bia no mfidie na ekọ ho no na ye excellent sa na ye bom pa say mfidie no so afin so ebe ya adwuma sa eye fidie commission ya ni nyina de use 2020 na radio ado ya de kakra ebe ka ho na commission in kase o ye de we ko ha eno a de ye district assembly elections no eno an ye de ba 2020 elections.
Okay, so let's end up with this a lot of text, but Memphis James Hinson Jex they will say Oman the interview is good. Bossman is saying this, Omane Boama is saying different things, all of them to meet so that Ghanaians will know the truth. Now things are not really. It's strange. It seems MPP and other parties are not interested. If you are in opposition, EC is bad. If you are in power, EC is good. Please ask Dr. Bossman for me. Before EC should do its work well and act as really independent to avoid any wrongdoing. Why can't EC and all stakeholders meet on a round table and solve all this problem once and for all? To me, next elections will be one of the best in Ghana. So how do you respond to this?
I'm sure the best chance here for the already to say to be the best. At the commission level, we know Bibia Beya Sumje. Yeah, young workman, yeah, born some pie. Say Bibia Beya. It's say 2020 no, or mine, Madam Chair, and then a bed chair for about 2018. Yeah, by na elections for her. I'm saying 2018 and a referendum. 2019 district assembly election, 2020 at what was so. Say enya bre aye nieme nyina nti register ho adwuma ya nya bre dia ye bibia nti ye de ye nim se bibia beko kama nieme bi etwase ye de to akwam omo etwase ye be train omo afikura ye de ye send collation officers so omo meboa return officers no e wo collation at the constituency level any input the regional level ti nieme bi etwase se commission de to akwam na bibia ye kama no ye se am no ka se niema ye be hia fra amanone any the Ebetuna do now over 99.9%. Yes,
funding is one issue.
Funding is not an issue.
We are wrapping up, Doc, but maybe we are lucky now to meet from because we are wrap up at now 0302 211 701 equals 4 0302 211 701 equals 4. Just straight to your point. If you get through any question you have for the Electoral Commission or my good self, as usual, decency is key. So, Doc, in wrapping up, you are assuring the Ghanaian and eligible voters. Seseba mahomboaboa ene mojuma moya mode mujidi sebe bia mapema koduno mo side de bibia da ofan o man
ye feel see side de bibia twase ye bia no yaye sesi am no ka say 2020 sabre na nipa ye be recruit omo no na ye nye 2020 sabre ni ye nye they say we niema ye de niema tutu akwamu ntem ama che ya create enough time printing afi ye be sha ase ntem achen 2020 ti niema ni nyina electoral commission afam de bibia eda kwam ena ya na untumi nka 100% nti anka ye de ye be ka say ya ready enipa programs e be ye training ni ade engagement e be ye obi bu say bibi say na ye engage all stakeholders eno no ne ye ka say NDC for mumra NDC for friends or mobile but to invite all the political parties. I said we don't exist for ourselves. Yeah, we have Ghana for. Tell me a baby or nanya one and I'm Ghana way Ghana the Yen Yama Ghana Sebe Beshe Yamani Bunyam. I don't mind if you was a Ghana for you say Ocean West Africa ha. Ghana and Kwan ye register you almost 55% of our population on the register. Apart from what Ghana no Keved don population kamia kwa say menim say be enu 600,000 omo so na omo ne lead uko Nigeria Cote d'Ivoire bok omo nyina omo no 50 42 43 ni ade ti we nyina no obi o outside bi an hwe obeka say Ghana for atumi aye nhyehyɛ ye se be ye obi o qualify bi ano ebetumi a register ebe si wa man bebre mu enti electoral commission dey fi say niam etwase ye bi ano yaye na ye koso anso eye adwuma no ye toato aso aye adwuma no sebe ya come December 7th ne bibi etwase ye bi ano obi ya be kono na ni din wo ho say na ye pasumdwe.
We'll end with this from one of our viewers. He said, good morning, Omahin, once again. Please, I still don't understand the following. How can I have my own room and an outsider comes and tell you that your items are missing without you coming out publicly? The Pushiga issue, the commission have go for the persons who went for the voters' ID cards in the name of loan and it ends up for their names to be transferred. EC should arrest them. They should expose that person. On Joy News, Dr. Tanko said they have insiders at commission and hence PhD and other commissioners should pray hard for God to expose. I don't get this one, but
I'm so because you be inside and man for me. But why you do secret be anymore? And you are moving for planting inside and you man secret be any secret be any baby be ano.
Are you transparent?
Oh,
is the commission transparent?
Very
activities transparent?
Everything. Am I mean to no yeah baby man for winter. Unim so one nipa 200,000 e be for ye omo be adwuma. Yeah, the omo na pictures e be ma political parties. So one from so office obu ha or party and so ye adwuma na returning officers and say you omo parties ni be the by
we dey
ni ye na free ye investigation na no tinya dia ye bibia secret ye tumi nye
Kwadwo oni ewie match sorry so wagina so ache oho ye de Kwadwo temenka
okay
Kwadwo temenka
ebeda ya papa Bossman ebeda nase na de mbese me kan say omuma omani na ho emom ntie ha because omo ye independent body. And you know, say party be opposition na abeka say NDC ni aban mu omo ma aban mu da na NDC MPP nso tra opposition da nti omo afua omo ahu ye say ties our EC office nyina 2020 elections Ghana ye nyina ye tie party a ompe Ghana ye ni NDC nti ye ba
so nya be kire wadwene we ase chese o pe Ghana ye asa na yakasa. Please. Had the yes, I didn't know. Pomcho. Could you mean we enough in PJ?
Hello.
Could you tell?
Hello, I'm fine. Good morning.
Morning, Minya.
Apumbo Korea.
Oh, Nyamiadum.
From the Kojo Water.
Could you pass it?
Because that's to call the
Well, Brennan Kojam said, here, Brennan comes all science, but me yonko bako passe. Dr. Bossman, why is it difficult for the Electoral Commission to allow political party and auditors to audit the register? Why have they employed the services of known MPP people to be their IT consultants?
Oh, no crabby any. I auditing now all cano. Yeah, well, Mrana Shisha auditing process of the register.
Yeah.
Say, yeah, not the Mrana Shisha na anya juma.
Okay.
Anya juma ye nyina ye paniye but the emrana hye no aye adwuma na constitution am aye okay article 51 na constitution is say in the when the EC is performing its function the EC will introduce constitutional instruments to regulate proxy voting registration of voters it is anu na ye emra timra wo ho aye de yes anu
Dr. Bossman Asare short notice ba ma menase say what me abeka ho na all this and
me so da mo se pa me chia hwefo na tie
we wish you all the best the commission mama hu something good something fair something transparent come December 7th
that's why very
grateful
thank you
well ya formula ya ba me onkomodi ya kwaba well asaba asem hia say pa ya bre na etia ba ya asem hia pa me gidi say ya subsequent ye nkomo ebedi no be hu say asema making asema ehia kese pa yi pa enu nti na enei medwuma mu mpanyimfo mu ntempio TV so obati so wo kasa really so cha ba who say medwuma mpanyimfo apie physically on TV and the dey do no omo am be protect here dey be tiada enti eratigo mame ndasi ye mame mata if eratigo no okọ Adom FM utie dey ekoso nyina ono na ye programs panyimu pa programs ye boss ankasa ewo ye dasi boss for short time but mame mata the current affairs dey already see your do be call pepepe news won sem nyina no ono oba bia obakọ adwuma bim na wotima fro abanwa na tima betena soro no ehunu so yes normal girls ni wotimi say redeem experience exposure everything wa ben hu pa akwaba well me hu ya na ni timu be kan komo we pa na break it we na because you tell us off air kwa no komo ahodo a and examples ahodo a ya da na di no you know enti na me yakakra but at least ya nka ho asema ana enye kwa na me say mo de nkomo bi ba mo be kire nhihye ya ahodo a mo de egu akwam ma me sha sem fiu say e de na am ya ba hashtag media
defend
media freedom
okay o my bedasi na ya bo ma ba so djuma mo ye Badwam morning show
yes that's
good job but djuma bi a wo ye bia ma me sha sem fi baby fu kra nya media wo ye djuma say wo ye carpenter wo hia niam bi na wo de ye djuma wo hia nua ana uhia nails enti se BBC na se enua esa okwaye mu a so we carpenter ni a wo se o mane how sanso na se what is say Russian Ukraine war enti nails enti mi magana ene na se wo join ni na wo ye no ni no na wo di bebubo nya na se wo benya challenge sa pepe nso na tie wo medium se yen adwuma na ye no se be koso a na yehia se freedom bi ebe wo fa na obetimi fa hundie bi obo hono otimi dia akasa anopa bi obetena hanom oni wo panelists ni wo experts edin komo se eba ne se nima bi esi saade ne ho kwan a wontimi nka wadwen da wi a wo se wo kana na se wadwuma no ya abrofo kan se tosin ba na tona atosin no so nye wo se wo pese atosin o obi na create say environment na ma na ye din ama so be ye wadwuma ti ubi say ya be just 3 years ago 2021 and I say less than 4 years ago 2021 na press freedom ye no rankings 2021 ye rankings ni so wo weni mu a na che say freedom no ara yeah 2021 na Ghana na that 30th position less than 3 years in 2023 and less barely 2 years
na
ni at tier 30 honum about 62
you
what it means is say ni ma bi nkoyi and me sure matter be mu obek kan bi a kire wa but to be honest with you omo tracking media freedom of Ghana no ehun say nipa over almost 2 decades of people, like almost 2 dozens of people, and I see even more than that. And I attack you in line of their job, and that's on duty. And the ubisaya na
no. Let me beat you, boss. You be beat the no. The monanti say no about to find your me. Matter but your boy kakray. It's you do musuko ade na be kaka ho.
Enti senior audit statistics in started University of Ghana 2024 into press freedom index 2023 no 2024 DNM but University of Ghana research on my HS say 40% of yenkrof we aye nuanom yankasa ye dwuma mu no we are attacked into almost half all ye na dwuma so gina ne camera chi so copy story and we have so many stories to tell her or kwa akoye na edwuma nu ntini akwa akotake no ye wie a obehu se ne eja ne kuro bi ana pra bi a ontumi nye na edwuma bi bebre na edi ne dem enti enu ntina CDD ene Danish embassy omo se omo ape emu akakra yemfa nkasa asem you say oma ye ya de ye ka obi asem enso ya asem de
senta because won bra de ama ya
ya asem de ye nka eba bibi e fa ye ho bia ye ntanka nti we die ye ba be ye town hall moa ba ye nkoye town hall ne nko a fi sesia enei 2 weeks eda ye nim se ne awo kan ye nye ne penjai 2 weeks eda ye nim ye pese ye de ka ye nga yasem ene ni aye fefa mu e wo kwan a ye dwuma obi nte ya se enti o se wonni hu kwan se obe ni awo ye no we yi camera wo twa se hwan na ka se twa na waso enti ebi wo kro mu to share media house na nkasa so na ye ba be ko abato
mu hwe de TV so a o se ne mesisi enia city fm ni e kwa omde ne fa so no and badaro monka se
enti se ye ba be ko abato emu ye wo ye nua ba ko e wo fie ha Emmanuel Anta se ontumi nye edwuma esanse abato ye bi ye wie ye no ko bra sport kwa ye follow up no obi di dua kese abu ni sisi echi ene Emmanuel Ante wa ye ni obeya
ye ni oba ko nam kwa na ehihye nti
Latif
yes ona me kwa
de no ko so no ye cracking is skull
yes enyo ma hye ne
treatment a wa fem pa
Latif na da shi
wo na obe hu se Latif na nam ho no ena ni na so eja trauma bi e ma ye nti anopa wo be edwuma obi sa ho se na me so me koi me wie ne sei ene no edoso nti komo a ye ba be di ne kire se ye nso ye wo hia ti go chocho nyama bebre wo #bebre na o tro ye no o se century edwuma anye crime bebre o tro be se 12 na so no be bubu bi ama wa
okay o je ya na edi ehu ye bre ni nti
ye de
mo no me be ko so quick
messages ni de bebre na be
so je na me be starting program I me kwabna sante
defending media freedom
yes very important
and amanyofo no ba
mama ma show mo nya de se ma show mo se ye ni mo na ye adwuma edwuma onsa so me asumasi me shebo se century de obadwuma me mo enya sa akwanya na yo mo
abrofu free bibi anasi lawyers free bibi duty of care se mabao adwuma mu he ya me ne wo ye interview se bia nya ha na me ye adwuma anasi me ye adwuma wa akra na sa me wo building yemu nkwa de wo a duty of care se ube protect
wo sa asudi no
wo sudi se
be bo ho ban
be bo me ho ban sa pepe se wo ya manyoni na se wo se wo nya mi na me attack ni pa no na emom me microphone na attack ni pa na ene je se wo nya wadwuma because wo duty of care se ni pa na ba ho nkwa oba be ye adwuma ma odi
ye be pa di we ho ntoma na
ye be pa
no inti enneno ya sha se wo social media 27th no ene ye be town hall kese enti be se ade obeti
joyful we are Adom TV
we are defending media freedom
and threat to media freedom no so enye se bia obi dia ba obi nkwa se o man se social media na what obi edi what so pam edi what ye niema e be mo anya sa adwuma ni bi se wo be ba adwuma mu kra be ye adwuma na se wo be kasa no
Bossigo
na threat to
ye bre na ye bre da wase
oche next time ye be ba ntem
mo na nye tietia na ye timi enko
ye be ni hu komo
ye launch na ni inti ko social media platforms na so na tweet ni a obe ye bia fa kan #defending media freedom GH.
All right. So what would you brefeti no e da mo ase ya ye nkomo ze ntimi but o ma hyebebo so mo na de bre ni mind to mo so be bie bre ni no matim de aba be di san nkomo no but if na ekoi me de o ma hene kwabna asante me kutia ehihye bia e ma de obody central adwuma na ntimi ndimu enwi peyo me da se pi me fa cheche
ya second ya mo ya da se